tip now.
Come on, Braden.
Keep that tip up.
Come on.
Keep that tip up, buddy.
Look at him go.
Don't give him too much slack with that
Hold
tip.
that.
Keep
Hold
that
that.
tip up.
It's videoing.
Nice.
come on,
Look
Braden.
at this thing. Look at this thing. This is a
Okay, lift
nice
that tip.
fish.
Lift that tip. Whoa!
Oh, it's a native silver.
That's okay. That's a free fight right there.
I think he's gonna like break my wrist.
Whoa! He is taking some line out.
Sure that's not a massive king?
No, it was a silver.
He saw its fin.
He's hooked good. I'm surprised he hasn't got off.
Oh, you got him good.
He hadn't got off.
You glad you
Can
went
you
back
hit
to
the-
fishing?
Oh.
Every time I get him off, he just goes back down.
Just going down like a king, man. It didn't look like a king when I seen it.
Well, hopefully we'll have him in the net and we'll figure it out in a second.
No, it's a big old silver.
Lift that tip. Lift that tip.
Boy, he is a big one.
That is. Look at that thing.
Wow.
Is he clipped or something?
No, he's a native.
He wore him out, Braden.
That is a big fish.
No, can't keep him.
No, we gotta let him go. Okay, lift up.
Lift up so we can.
Oh, he ain't done yet, huh? He wants to mess with you a little bit more.
That fish had his Wheaties this morning.
Yeah. Oh yeah. You get that big king that flew by and you'll think this is a fight.
Bring him in.
Lift that tip now. Get the line in close so Randy
Like
can
he's
get
been
it.
caught before and he knows what they're gonna do or something.
Braden, look up. Look at me. How was it?
Really fun.